Hello, good morning. We are getting ready to get on the MSC cruise and we are so excited.
So excited.
This was a crazy cool opportunity and we are about to see the ship. We are in the brand new port that they created just for this ship, World America, and it's going to be amazing. What are you most excited about?
I'm just excited to see all the new things the ship has. It's MSC's biggest ship.
Yeah.
So
Ever in their fleet.
And it's really great that we get to be the first ones on it.
We are going to have a fabulous time. We're so excited to see everything. We're the first ones to be on the ship ever, which I've never had this experience. This is all very new, but we're going to show you all the ins and outs and why your family wants to travel on MSC Cruise. But follow along. We can't wait to show you everything. Not only does this ship have a really cool basketball court, but this basketball court also doubles as bumper cars. How cool is that? I mean, come on. This place is amazing and made for kids. But what's really cool about this floor is they have an entire section of Legos for families. So the family zone for Legos is really cool because my husband and I sometimes love to play with our kids too. Sometimes we like to drop them off and let them play on their own, but sometimes we want to be a part of the fun too. So it's a great place. I'm going to show you the Lego part next. All right, so this is the family area, which is really cool because they have a whole Lego set, and they were telling me really cool facts about this one. If you have kids that want to play games but don't want to be away from your parents, this is a great area. They can play Legos, and it's like a little bit of a taste of what they have in the kids club, which is really cool. You can have contests to see who has the best Lego creation and write your cabin number down and they'll judge it. And they have so many great things up here, but it's just a tiny taste of what they have at the kids club. So make sure to check it out. It's a great area for families with their children. Don't forget to check out the Sweet Temptation sweet shops. They have ice cream, candies, and all sorts of things for you and your kids and your family to enjoy. And some for the moms too. And right behind us, they have tons of sports bars that you can go and check out either with or without the kids. Probably not with. I'll check on that. Let's start and look at the pizza shop. So this pizza shop is fantastic for kids and families. This pizza shop stays open. It's a burger and pizza shop. It stays open until 3 a.m. So if you're having late night munchies or want to just stop in, if you don't like going to the regular dinner area that you get assigned to every night, you can stop in here for late night snacks or just a dinner on the go. Or if you have really hungry kids that are even hungry after dinner because it wasn't what they wanted, this has a great place. They have nachos, pizza, hamburgers. Next to the pizza shop is one of our favorite places, is a chocolate shop. They have all sorts of treats. They have coffees you can grab and go. Lots of different chocolate treats and anything you can even imagine. It smells fantastic. They have 2 buffets on floor 18 and 19 that overlook the World Promenade. You can get a great view of the ship if you sit next to the windows, but they have cold cuts, hot foods, and all sorts of things that you're looking for. You can grab a quick bite to eat, drinks, or whatever you need from the bar as well. Make sure to grab a couple of water bottles on your way out, especially if you have the drink package. One of our favorite parts about this ship so far are the kids clubs. They are the best kids clubs that I've seen on any MSC ship. My kids already loved MSC ships, but these kids clubs are on a whole other level. They have areas for kids of all ages. They have an area for toddlers, younger kids, medium age kids, and then they have tweens and teens. They have different Lego areas, great little small pieces for the bigger kids, big Duplos for the younger kids, and they even have a replica of Ocean Key, their private island, made out of Legos and Duplos. My kids are going to love this Lego area. If your kids aren't into Legos, they have lots of board games and a ton of Nintendo, PlayStation, and Xbox games that you can play at any time. Not to mention, they have plenty of activities and fun things for the kids to do. They even have dance parties.
With the junior club, but we use Duplos here. It's like more bigger.
Okay, what age group is this?
It's 3 to 6 years old.
Okay. Oh my goodness. The little Duplos. They're so cute. One thing we just had to try out was the race car simulator. That one is way harder than it looks, but my 11-year-old son would get the biggest kick out of this, and probably my husband too. We may have crashed a couple times, but it was still really, really fun.
Yeah, sorry.
We are so grateful that we have the opportunity to go on this cruise. If you want a Castle Explorers agent to help you with your trip, to make it easy and seamless, so all you have to do is just show up and go and live your best life, just click the link below and we can set you up with an expert travel agent.